Hi everyone, I'm back with another recycling project. Right here I have a basket full of old, broken soldering irons. I'm going to pick out the one in the worst condition to show you guys exactly how to fix it up. As you can see, this soldering iron is missing its tip, and the power cord is almost completely snapped off at the plug. Normally, fixing this would be quite expensive since you'd have to buy a new tip and replace the entire cord. However, as a DIY enthusiast, I'm going to show you how to fix it in the most budget-friendly way possible, using only the tools on hand without spending a dime. Of course, since this is a low-cost recycling project, the quality won't be as good as buying a brand new one. Also, I've muted the original audio because the background noise was a bit too loud and might ruin your experience. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more similar content. Thank you for your time and interest. The power cord on this soldering iron is pretty much toast and there's no way to reuse it, so we're just going to toss it out. As for the heating element, also known as the soldering iron core, I'm going to strip away the ceramic and the wire. Even though this is a vital and indispensable part of the original design, we won't be needing it anymore since it doesn't fit our current recycling plan. You might have never heard of this, but a dead AA battery is far from useless if you know how to repurpose it. Inside a zinc-carbon battery lies a pure carbon electrode rod that is incredibly durable. Physically, carbon has an exceptional ability to withstand high temperatures and maintain stable thermal conductivity, preventing it from warping or melting when current passes through. Most importantly, the surface of this carbon rod does not oxidize or accumulate slag like standard copper tips, which helps maintain long-term performance. By repurposing this material as a DIY soldering tip, you're not only ensuring instant heat transfer but also being extremely cost-effective by using a readily available source of electronic waste. So, the DIY soldering tip is finally finished. Now let's just get it installed back into its proper place. Before securing the soldering iron back together, let's go ahead and connect the power wires to this component first. This power cord features a core made of numerous tiny copper strands tightly braided together. Its biggest advantage is exceptional flexibility, allowing the cord to bend easily without any risk of internal wire breakage. Additionally, this multi-strand design increases the surface area for electrical conduction, ensuring more stable power delivery and better load capacity compared to stiff, single-core wires. With the other end of this power cord, I'm going to set it up to attach an alligator clip. And here is the alligator clip that I mentioned just a moment ago, an incredibly useful component in any DIY toolkit. This type of clip features strong serrated jaws, allowing us to quickly secure wire ends or electronic components without needing to hold them by hand. The rubber insulation on the outside also provides safety, ensuring you don't get burned or shocked while working. I'm putting together an extra tool for the negative terminal, which is just a simple lead with alligator clips on both ends. Its main advantage is allowing you to establish a quick and secure connection from the negative terminal through any conductor. A small-sized battery is a smart choice here because it provides the perfect amount of power for our setup. Everyone, please make sure to connect the device correctly to the positive and negative terminals of the power source. Seeing the electric arc react like this means we've already hit a major milestone. But before we officially crown this recycling hack a success, I'm going to run 2 quick tests. This is to ensure the device performs reliably and lives up to exactly what both you and I are expecting. The results are truly impressive. The two small metal pieces are bonded together very securely. Most importantly, the concentrated heat from the carbon tip allows for a deep, quick weld without warping or damaging the structural integrity of either metal. To push this device to its limits and prove its worth, I'm going to perform one final test. I honestly have nothing but praise for this DIY soldering iron. Its standout feature is the incredibly smart heat control. The temperature is highly concentrated right at the tip, allowing the solder to melt and bond almost instantly, yet the heat doesn't spread far enough to burn or warp the surrounding surface. This precision in thermal delivery ensures joints that are both rock solid and aesthetically clean, all while preserving the structural integrity of the original material. It's a simple tool made from scrap, yet it delivers professional results that far exceed expectations. If you love creating from repurposed items, don't forget to hit subscribe so we can explore more projects together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.